To create a new PayPal account, start by downloading and opening the PayPal app. Once the app is open, tap on the Sign Up option. Select your country from the top right corner of the screen. Then enter your email address and tap Next. Next, enter your phone number and tap Next again. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone number, which you'll need to enter to proceed. After verifying your phone number, create a new password for your PayPal account and tap Next. You'll then be prompted to enter your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, and occupation. Enter your address. Then tap Agree and create account. Choose one of the available options. Enter your password, and your account will be created. This process allows you to sign up for PayPal and create a new account, giving you access to the platform's services.